Alright, it's date night. We're doing a little video on Lincolns. Our cat Bagels has claimed that car. I'm putting some new headlights in it. Some of these fancy LED jobs, because I'm blind as a bat. Some of these fancy guys. So we're going to go out there and see how this works. Putting these in. Okay, so we got these headlights out. That's what they look like. We don't need to get that involved. So we got a 3-prong and a 2-prong. These are all 3 prongs. So now we got to figure out how that needs to go. Alright, so there they are installed. Now we're going to put this chrome thingamajigger back on the trim. It just slips in the bottom. A couple of bolts on the top, and it's in. So we're going to put those bolts on, then we'll tear that side apart. So here we are inside of here. First thing you got to do, unplug your old lights. These things are no good in the Lincoln. Let's unplug this light. Alright, then there's 3 screws in here. One there, and one right there. Take those 3 screws out and the chrome trim comes off. So you just stick your little ratchety gizmo in there and start turning. Okay, so you get your 3 bolts out. You just lean this forward and lift it up. There's that. That's just a dummy looking lens thing. And that's out. Then you got 4 screws in there to get out. There's Hammy and Bagels, seeing if they like what they were doing to their car. It looks like 2 far holes on the bottom, 2 close together holes on the top, and that's what the headlight bucket looks like. This is what the new LED headlight looks like. It has words, and you just put the words in so they're readable. That's it.
Catching the sunlight as it waves to the moon. Of a new day with you feels just like magic, the way we stop time. Wish we could stay forever intertwined. A love like this makes everything better. Oh, happiness is you at the center, like a merry-go-round.